Uzima, I really need your help right now. Please, if you don't help me, I am doomed.
What is it? Why don't you knock on the door?
Uzima, if you don't help me, I am doomed.
What's the problem?
Uzima, please, I need you to help me talk to Izuna.
I don't understand you. You're sounding really ridiculous right now. Talk to him about what?
Uzima, please, just help me talk to him, please.
Are you listening to yourself? I mean, is something wrong with your head? My boss is coming over for inspection. He's around. I do not want him to meet you here.
Okay, I can wait. I can wait.
There's no way you're waiting around my office or in this premises. You can wait, yes, but elsewhere, not here.
Okay, I'll wait for you outside.
You're not waiting around this premises. Ebube! Ebube! So you expect me to beg your husband to forgive you, not because you're sorry, but just because your sugar boy has eloped with your vehicle and your cash. That's what you want me to do?
Uzima, please. You're the only one I have. You're my last hope now. If you don't help me, Uzima, I might commit suicide.
I can't help you. I will not. When I was talking to you and begging you to listen to me, Ebube, you refused. You chose this path. So enjoy it. I can't.
Uzima, I regret it every day. I regret not listening to you, not taking your advice. But Uzima, I am a changed person now. I am, yes.
So what am I supposed to do? Take your story to a radio station and have them lecture young girls not to make the same error you just made? You know, the only thing I feel like saying to you now is, get out! You put yourself in this position, so you just get out!
No.
How could you not listen? How could you not listen? When you reduced yourself to this? No, I need space. No, I need... Wait, no.
No, please. I'm going to commit suicide if you don't help me. I'll commit suicide. You have to help me. Help me.
Karma must catch up with you one day.
You want your friend to commit suicide? No, Mama. I'll commit suicide. No, Mommy. I'll commit suicide.
Must catch up with you one day. Oh, love comes.
I need my husband. Please. I need my husband back. I am changed. I'm a changed person. Yes, I have changed. I'm a changed person. I have changed.
Goes around, comes around. It's unavoidable. Whatever you sow, you must reap. Life is a give and take. What you give, you receive. It takes the grace of God to win pardon. God is not a man. God is not a man. Be careful what you do in love. Love karma. Karma. Still at work. Still at work. Karma.
Don't tell me you've been here since.
So I want my husband back. Please help me.
You know, if you had listened to me, we wouldn't be here discussing this. What do you want to say? How do you even want to begin? Izuna is hurt. How do we even start?
Osama, just take me to him. I will tell him how broken I am. I will even tear my clothes to show him I'm really sorry.
It's going to be really difficult. You have to go and see your mother and talk to her.
My mother will not even listen to me. She won't even listen to me. Please, just help me, please.
Karma must catch up with you one day. Karma must catch up with you one day. Oh, love karma still at work.
What? Hey, Ozioma, if you're going to be welcome in this house, I want that slut to leave this place.
Onny, please, just let her talk to you. Onny, just one second.
Ozioma, I want her out now, or I throw both of you out.
That's okay. That's okay.
Out!
What now?
What do I do now?
I think you should go and see your mother. You have to talk to her. I'm sure she'll have, some form of... Yeah, she's got to tell you something that will help you through this.
My mother will not even listen to me. I mean, I insulted her when she advised me to go back to my husband.
You insulted every single person. All because of that boy. What were you even thinking? Huh? Now you're like a wanderer. Wandering around as if you never ever lived a good life. But did I not tell you who that boy is? Or was? Did I not warn you? Did I not tell you? He's just a miscreant, a nuisance. Now look at you. What a car.
Yes. Isn't it beautiful?
Are you mad? Is something wrong with your head?
What is it? I don't get it.
Christ. Your son is in the hospital. And the first thing you do with the land that you sold is to buy a car?
Ozioma, please. I didn't come here for this, your sermon.
What is wrong with you? What is wrong with your head?
What is it?
Who is the boy I saw you with last time?
Oh, he's my sugar. Ozioma, please, I just came to show you my car. Why are you getting angry?
I'm not angry. I'm feeling embarrassed and ashamed of how useless and heartless you are acting.
Stop it. Enough. Ozioma, this is my life. Allow me to live it to the fullest. You don't have any right to detect me what is good and bad.
Really?
Yes. Oh, I see. You're jealous. Yes. You're jealous because you do not have a car.
Let me educate you. Better still, let me inform you. That's just in case you haven't heard or you don't know. That boy I saw you with the last time is amongst the useless, senseless, nastiest boys in town that use voodoo to confuse married people, women exactly.
Ozioma.
Yes, they take their money, take their property, ruin their marriages, and then they walk away.
Stop it. I know this boy better than you do.
You have to listen to me. You're making a mistake, Ibube. This is a mistake. I'm telling you, it's a mistake.
I don't even know what I'm doing here. I just came to show you Mike and you're getting all angry. Please excuse
No, wait,
me.
wait.
Excuse me.
What do we do now?
At this point, I just wish the ground would open and swallow me.
Well, if you ask me, it should. But I seriously think you should go and see his parents. I mean, I'm guessing they're the only ones who can help you now. This is hard. This is tough. There's got to be something they can do to help.
Forgive me. Mama, I have erred. Please forgive me. I don't know what else to do.
Everything. I do not have any problem with you. All you need to do is to reconcile with God and then go and reconcile with your husband. That's it.
Mama, please. Help me talk to my husband. Please.
Why would I do that? Why? When did my opinion start to matter in your life? When? I called you here twice to stop you from going astray. But you wouldn't listen to me. Rather, you chose a path of doom. Now you are here shedding crocodile tears, asking me to go and beg your husband on your behalf. But it's not been done that way.
Mama, please, I want my husband back. Oh, please.
Then go fix it up. You go and fix what you have broken. I can't. Sorry.
Mama, please. Mama, please.
Must catch up with you one day. Karma must catch up with you one day. Oh, love karma still at work. Karma must take its place. Love karma still at work. Karma must take its place. What goes around comes around. It's unavoidable. Whatever you sow, you must reap. Life is a give and take. What you give, you receive. It takes the grace of God to win pardon. God is not a man. God is not a man. Be careful what you do in love. Love karma. Karma. Still at work. Still at work. Karma must take its place. Karma. Love karma. Still at work. Karma. Karma must take its place. Karma must catch up with you one day. Karma must catch up with you one day. Oh, love karma still at work. Karma must take its place. Love karma still at work. Karma must take its place. What goes around comes around. It's unavoidable. Whatever you sow, you must reap. Life is a give and take. What you give, you receive. It takes the grace of God to win pardon. God is not a man. God is not a man. Be careful what you do in love. Love karma. Karma still at work. Still at work. Karma must take its place. Karma. Love karma still at work. Karma. Karma must take its place. Karma must catch up with you one day.
Ebube, is this you?
Uncle, good afternoon.
Good afternoon to you. You look so haggard.
Uncle, I was actually on my way to your house.
I hope there's no problem.
Uncle, please, I want you to help me talk to my husband.
Which husband? Did you remarry and I'm not aware?
Uncle, I'm talking about Izuna. Uncle, please, I want you to help me talk to him. Tell him to forgive me.
Wait, let me understand you clearly. Do you want me to talk to your husband or do you want me to take you to your husband?
No. Uncle, I want you to take me to my husband and help me beg him to forgive me.
Really? I should beg him to forgive you. When you decided to stupidly leave your husband, didn't I warn you you have chosen the wrong path? Ebube, you are like a daughter to me. I heard what is going on between you and your husband, and I want to hear from you. Tell me, why do you want to divorce him?
Uncle Ozo, I do not want to talk about it. I've been saying this over a week. I don't want the marriage anymore.
You can't just be tired of your marriage for no reason. Tell me what is going on, so I can know where to come in.
Uncle, don't stress yourself. You don't need to come in. At this point, there is no going back.
Ebube. Ebube. Do you remember the story of Umajoto, the daughter of the rainmaker, who left her husband after 7 years of marriage? Do you remember what happened to her?
Uncle, I said I do not want to talk about it. I have chosen a path. Allow me to enjoy working on it.
Okay.
Yes, you did. Uncle, I was stupid.
And you continue to be stupid. You have chosen a path that you felt was convenient to you. Enjoy it. Please, 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 please. Don't get me involved. Don't.
Uncle, please, just...
Get me involved.
Uncle.
Karma must catch up with you one day. Oh, love karma still at work. Karma must take its place. Love karma still at work. Karma must take its place. What goes around comes around. It's unavoidable. Whatever you sow, you must reap. Life is a give and take. What you give, you receive. It takes the grace of God to win pardon.
What pushed you into it?
Mama, it's the devil.
Hey, no. Don't involve the devil here. Were you seeing another man?
It was a temptation.
So, Ebube, you were seeing another man? Eh? Ebube Chukwu, where did I go wrong in raising you? I gave you all the moral teaching. I raised you in the way of the Lord. I gave you what a mother can give her daughter. Why did you depart from it? Why did you choose a way of doom? Why?
Mama, I'm so sorry.
You are sorry. If you are really sorry, you know what to do. You go and reconcile with God. Ask God to forgive you. You need God to forgive you, for you have offended him greatly. It's only him that can forgive you, not man. So if you are sorry, go and reconcile with God.
I lost my way. Okay. Oh, my right. Oh, okay. Yes, I'm there now. Okay, I should take my right. Oh, okay. Alright. Okay. Okay, I'll see. Oh, okay. Okay.
Onny.
Let me call you back. Auntie, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Where are you going?
Oh, Uncle Izuna asked me to help him deliver his invitation card to his friend.
What invitation?
Uncle Izuna is getting married to Anna.
Which Anna?
Anna, the one you know.
Anna my maid?
Yes.
No, this is not happening. No.
Must catch up with you one day. Karma must catch up with you one day. Oh, love karma still at work. Karma must take its place. Love karma still at work. Karma must take its place. What goes around comes around.
Hey.
Auntie, good afternoon again.
I went to Zina's house. I did not see him. Please, do you know where I can find him?
Oh, okay. I'm not supposed to tell you this, but he went to see his wedding planner. Maybe you should come back later in the day.
Onny, why is Izuna doing this to me? Izuna is getting married to my maid. Is this good?
Well, if you ask me, I would say that getting married to someone who loves and cares about you is really a good thing. So, that is it. But if I may ask, why do you suddenly act as if you care? Because the last time I checked, you didn't. Excuse me.
Izuna, don't tell me you're getting married to our maid.
And how is that your business? Huh? Meanwhile, who invited you here? Or do you just barge into people and start talking rubbish?
Izuna, you cannot do this to me. Even if you want to get married, not to our maid.
And who are you to tell me who or who not to get married to? Who the hell are you?
Anyway, I did not come here for this.
Please, can you leave here now? Everybody said leave. I'm going to push you right now. I said leave.
So don't push her. Madam, can you leave, please?
Please.
Ma, please leave.
Mind your business. Don't touch me! Don't leave me alone! It's on now!
Come on, girl. So what are you saying? Is there another design that you're going to bring for me?
Sir, this one will fit her very well.
Is this the only design you have?
Yes, sir. This is the only one I have. I believe it will go well.
Who do we have here?
Papa, you won't believe what is happening now.
What is happening? Tell me.
Papa, my husband is Izuna. He's getting married to our housemaid.
The last time I checked, you did not have a husband. Did you remarry and I'm not aware of it? Huh? me see my son.
Karma must catch up with you one day. Oh, law of karma, still at work. Karma must take its place. Law of karma, still at work. Karma must take its place. What comes around, it's unavoidable. Whatever you sow.
Go on, you scared me with the banging.
My world is about to crumble on my head. My husband is getting married to Anna.
Who is Anna?
Anna is my house help. My house help.
And so?
Eh?
You want to stop them? Oh, I see. You want her to reject him the way you rejected him?
I want my husband back. I want my husband back.
How is this my business? I mean, how is this my business? See, you're getting involved in this thing way too much, and it's beginning to bother me. Really? You said you didn't want, then he left, and then somebody else agreed, and then now you're angry, and now you're crying.
I want him back.
Please.
Mama, you won't believe it.
Believe what? And what is after you?
Mama, Izuna is getting married now to Anna.
Who is Anna?
Mama, Anna is my house help.
Who told you that?
Mama, I saw it in my dream. Just can't.
So you were running, screaming like mad woman because of a mad dream.
Mama, but you know my dreams always come true.
Madam Ebube, Joseph the dreamer. Why didn't you dream that you failed yourself in your marriage? Huh? Will you go home? Now, follow me right away.
Mama.
Let's go home right away.
Mama, just go. Mama, go. Let me.
Karma must catch up with you one day. Oh, law of karma, still at work. Karma must take its place. Law of karma, still at work. Karma must take its place. What goes around comes around. It's unavoidable. Whatever you sow.
What brings you here?
Please forgive me.
No. Get up. I don't have anything against you. Get up. Get up.
Please. Baba, please. I want you to help me talk to Izuna. I've realized my mistakes and I want him back.
I'm glad you have realized your mistake. But for me to go to Izuna and ask for forgiveness on your behalf, I will not do that. You go to him. He's your husband. He will forgive you.
Papa, I'm going to his place, but he asked me to leave. He wouldn't even allow me to talk.
Don't worry, I will call him on the phone. He is my son. I know him very well. Go to him. He will forgive you. But if you go there and he refuses to forgive you, come back to me and let me know.
Papa, I don't understand at all. You don't.
Do you expect me to understand? You think I've not heard everything? You think any man will open his arms and welcome a promiscuous woman just like that? Huh?
Oh, Papa, I'm a changed woman now. I've changed.
You have changed? How is that my business? Ebube, your son died and you were told and you refused to make a move. You sold the land. Instead of you to use the money to save your own son, you went and bought a car. Oh my God, you're heartless.
Please, I promise, I'm going to give him another son. I'll give him another child.
Just like that? You are God, eh? Please, leave my house.
Please.
Please, get the hell out of my house before I send for the youths to flog the hell out of you. Get the hell out! Out! Can you imagine? I'll give him another child. You are God.
Where do I go from here? What do I do now? God, please, just give me one more chance and I promise I will not mess up again. Just one more chance, just one.
Must catch up with you one day. must catch up with you one day. Oh, law of karma, still at work. Karma must take its place. Law of karma, still at work. Karma must take its place. What goes around comes around. It's unavoidable. Whatever you sow, you must reap. Life is a give and take. What you give, you receive. It takes the grace of God to win pardon. God is not a man. God is not a man. Be careful what you do in life. Karma, still at work. Still at work. Karma must take its place. Karma, still at work.
You again? No, madam.
Please, I am here to see him. Please.
See, you see this woman, ba? She no go enter this place. My Oga say she no enter this place. Please. If you see beating where I receive from Oga because of this lady, you no go enter here, madam.
Please, I beg you. Let me see my in-law. Please, be calm.
Mama, if na you go enter, go see her. If na for her, she no go enter.
I beg. Please, I am begging you. Please, permit us. I am here to see him. He is my in-law.
Now this compound I go stay, I go call Oga.
Oh. My in-law, please.
Wait,
Please,
I
have come to talk to you. Please.
Mama, take her out of this place before I lose it now.
Honey, please, I'm really sorry. Honey, please forgive me. Honey, please.
I will never forgive you. I will never, ever forgive you. Get out of this place now before I lose it on you. I want her out of this place first.
Stand up now.
And you come here. Next time. Next time.
What is that?
You try this next time. I can't open this door. Police for this place. This is the way.
My son, I know Ebube has offended you greatly. She has done what God and man forbid. Please, forgive and forget. I beg you in the name of God. Find a place in your heart to forgive her. Please, I beg you. Please.
happened? He refused to see you. I think I know what to do.
Are you serious? Zuma, please, I want my husband back. Please help me. I'll forever be grateful to you.
Calm down. Just calm down. I'm fine, thank you. Hold on, Mama. Izuna. Please. Izuna. Ebube did not act well. She made an error. She misbehaved. Yes. But please, please, forgive her. Please, I beg you. I can really beg you. Please.
Stop this. Oh God, please.
Mama, please help us speak to Izuna. I'm begging you. Please. Please forgive. She has realized that she erred. It's now up to you to forgive her. Please. Oh, Papa. Oh, you're welcome, sir. You're welcome, sir.
Hey. Papa, what is this? Eh?
Son, calm down. Calm down, she's still your wife.
I want you to stay outside. I do not want to see her here. She disgusts me.
Son, calm down. She's still your wife.
Where do you want me to start from? Huh? Where do you want me to start forgiving her? That she allowed our son to die out of her stupidity? Where do I forgive her from?
Please, calm down. Stop crying, please. That is why we're here. We'll fix everything. Okay?
Can I say something, sir?
Say something.
Steve is alive. Steve.
God. God. Thank you.
Steve? You are alive? How? Where has he been?
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry if my decision has caused any trouble. When the doctor confirmed him dead, I saw his fingers moving. Steve! Doctor! Doctor, come and see. He was moving his hands just now. He was moving it. He was shaking it.
What a miracle.
Doctor, please. Can I give him my kidney?
You really want to do that?
Yes, doctor. Yes. Doctor, please. Please don't tell anyone. Don't tell anyone. Not even his father, please. Steve. So after his surgery, I took him to the house of one of his favorite teachers. I didn't want him to know what was going on between his mom and his dad. I'm sorry, sir. I'm very sorry. God bless you. Thank you, ma.
See, you didn't do anything wrong, okay? I am going to reward you heavily for this.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
My son, this is the time to forgive your wife. For God's sake, the creator of heaven and earth, please forgive your wife. Please. Stop crying. Oh, thank God.
I forgive you.
Thank you.
Yes? What's that? I've been looking for you everywhere.
Wait, what? What's going on? I mean, Kelly, how did you know I'm here? You've been looking for me?
Everywhere.
He's been looking for me? He's looking for me? How? I mean, you're not angry with me anymore?
Our wedding anniversary is coming up next week.
You've forgiven me?
Uzioma, I have forgiven you. I do love you.
Is this real? Is this real? It's real?
Yes.
Oh my God. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I'm so sorry, Kelly.
It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay.
Wow. This calls a celebration. Anna, you go get some drinks and some glasses and let's celebrate. Okay?
Hey!
Wow.
This step you take could break your home. This step you take could lead to death. Away might seem right, but the end is destruction. Be careful in life to avoid regret. This step you take could break your home. This step you take could lead to death. Away might seem right, but the end is destruction. Be careful in life to avoid regret. Marriage is bed undefiled. It's a journey ordained by God. Avoid the practice of infidelity. The eyes of God sees, it sees so deep. Hold on to For better, for worse, is the journey of love. A wise woman builds, but the foolish destroys. Be careful to avoid regret. Yeah. Oh, break your home. This step you take, could take a life. Away might seem right. Away might seem right. Be careful to avoid regret. This step you take could break your home. This step you take